Here's what will happen to your body if you do 40 squats every day. When we think about getting a fit body, many of us imagine complex, high-intensity workouts requiring expensive gym memberships or endless hours spent at the gym. But what if I told you that a simple exercise, something as basic as squats, could transform your body and improve your overall quality of life? It's true. Squats are not just for bodybuilders. In fact, they're a fundamental movement that mimics our natural everyday actions. So let's dive into the real benefits of doing just 40 squats every single day. Whether you're looking to tone your body or boost your health, squats can work wonders. Keep watching to discover how this single move can impact your bones, muscles, joints, and more. 1. Strengthening your bones. When you squat, the force you generate against the ground sends a ripple effect through your body, especially in your legs, hips, and spine. This pressure triggers your bone cells to build more bone tissue, which increases bone density. Higher bone density means stronger bones, resistant to fractures and damage. Over time, consistent squats can help prevent bone loss that comes with age, reducing the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Imagine feeling more confident, knowing your bones are getting stronger every day. 2. Torch calories and boost your heart health. Squats are a total body workout that engages large muscle groups. When you squat, your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core all kick in, burning calories and pushing your body to its limits. This helps with cardiovascular health, regulates blood sugar, and lowers the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Plus, you'll sleep better and feel more energized overall. It's the perfect recipe for a healthier, more active lifestyle. 3. Building muscular endurance. Endurance isn't just about running long distances, it's about the ability of your muscles to keep working without tiring. Squats challenge your leg and core muscles to push through fatigue, making them stronger and more resistant to exhaustion. The more you squat, the better your muscles become at using oxygen efficiently, meaning you can keep going longer, no matter the activity. Squats improve your stamina, which not only helps during workouts, but also reduces the risk of injury by strengthening muscles to support joints. 4. Joint health. Squats may not immediately scream joint health, but they actually do wonders for your joints. The movement helps distribute synovial fluid, the body's natural lubricant, through your knee, hip, and ankle joints. This reduces friction and keeps your cartilage healthy, preventing wear and tear. As we age, our joints become more vulnerable, but regular squatting helps maintain fluid circulation, improving mobility and slowing the degeneration that can lead to osteoarthritis. 5. Supercharging circulation. Squatting is more than just a leg exercise. When you squat, the rhythmic contraction of your leg muscles acts like a second heart, helping pump blood back up to your heart. This is especially crucial for preventing conditions like varicose veins, where blood starts to pool in your lower limbs. Squats improve circulation, reduce swelling, and keep your muscles fueled with fresh oxygen, so you'll feel less fatigued and recover faster from workouts. 6. Balancing your hormones. Did you know that squats can boost your hormone levels? Performing squats activates multiple muscle groups, sending a signal to your body to release muscle-building hormones like testosterone. This natural increase in hormones helps improve muscle growth, accelerate recovery, and even enhance your mood. A good balance of hormones supports everything from energy levels to cardiovascular health, making squats not just a workout but an overall health boost. 7. Strengthening your core. Your core is the foundation of all movement. From lifting heavy objects to simply standing upright, your core stabilizes everything. Squats are one of the most effective ways to activate your core, as they engage your abdominal muscles, lower back, and pelvis to maintain balance and posture. With every squat, your core gets stronger, making daily tasks easier and reducing your risk of injuries. A strong core is essential for good posture, back health, and overall strength. 8. Improving flexibility and mobility. Flexibility isn't just for yogis. Regular squats help improve the range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles. By moving through a full squat, you're challenging your muscles to stretch and strengthen in ways that improve your mobility. This makes bending, twisting, and even walking easier. Plus, it reduces the stiffness that comes with age and a sedentary lifestyle, keeping you agile and active for years to come. With these 8 benefits in mind, it's clear that 40 squats a day can do more than just sculpt your legs. It can improve your overall health, making every aspect of your life easier and more energetic. Start adding squats into your routine and watch your body and life transform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the Wellness Compass, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's stay on this journey to better health together.